Hey guys, Frank Curzio here with another live video. Again, always love your feedback, frankcurzioresearch.com. I wanted to cover Chipotle today because, the title is Why You Should Sell. It sounds pretty crazy since if you watch TV today, everybody loves it. The stock surged 12%. They said digital sales were up 80%, and everybody loves those numbers, digital sales. They're going crazy about them. They have a strong balance sheet, 800 million in cash. So, it's off to the races. Everybody loves the stock. Let's take a look under the hood really quick. First, I like Chipotle. I eat there twice a month with my family. I actually drive 20 minutes just to go there. I love it. And it's amazing because the past 2 months, what they made me do is the stores are closed. All the stores are closed. They're letting takeout, right? So you can get takeout. So when I called the phone, called them and said, hey, can I order? And they said, well, you have to do it through our app. They wouldn't allow me to order over the phone. I downloaded the app. I did it through the app. Well, that's why digital sales were up so much because it was the only way you could get food from this place, right? So, digging more into that number, when you're looking at that increase, 75% of those sales came from existing customers. So it's not like they added all of this business, right? Uh, so when I look at this in digital sales, it's kind of meaningless, right? Because it's almost like if somebody had takeout, ordered takeout from a Chinese restaurant, and they said, "Well, now you got to use digital." Well, next month they're going to report digital sales are up 300-400%, right? Doesn't mean that that's resulting in extra sales. I'm just picking it up in a different manner. So that's the first thing. The second thing is when it comes to retail stocks and restaurant stocks, there's one measure that's more important than anything. I mean, if you're looking at Snap, it's subscribers, it's revenue, whatever. When it comes to restaurants, retail names, it's same store sales. Their same store sales increased 3%, which is amazing in this environment. They were projected to increase 13%. That's down from 35%. So that means they're seeing a massive decrease in sales. Doesn't matter. Nobody cares, right? Same store sales rose 3%. Nobody really talked about it, missed it by a ton. And the stock surged and it's now trading at an all-time high, just a couple of dollars off an all-time high. Think about that. So all the stores are closed. You could only order takeout because the coronavirus is trading at all-time high. Based on that logic, you probably should hope that the coronavirus lasts for 20 years. I mean, the stock will quadruple, go up to 1,000,000% from here, right? I mean, based on that logic, doesn't make sense. So nobody really cares. But when I'm looking at the stock, it's trading at $880. They're expected to earn $10 is the analyst estimates. That means it's trading at 88 times forward earnings, which is insane in this market, right? With sales not growing as fast as they were, not even close. If you take the 2021 numbers, because we all know 2020 numbers, everybody says it doesn't matter. Everybody's removing that guidance. Everybody's reporting it doesn't matter. But 2021, we're going to be back to normal. It's going to be a great thing. They're projected to earn $16 a share. So if you're taking that number, they're still trading at 50 times forward earnings. And I'm talking about not 2020, but 2021 earnings. Pretty crazy. So putting it all together, that balance sheet of 800 billion, don't forget they got 2.8 billion in debt, right? So they're in better shape than most companies. They're doing a better job. No doubt. It's a great company. Should be trading at an all-time high with all of its stores closed. And you can only get takeout right now. And yes, they're going to open slowly, but the digital sales number is meaningless. It's nothing. That's not an indication that they're increasing sales, which are evident from the same store sales number. Again, throwing numbers at you, looking under the hood. These are some of the things I'm seeing. If I owned it here, I would sell it. It does have momentum. It does. Technicals look great. It'll probably go higher. But once that breaks, you can see this thing fall a lot. It shouldn't be trading at its all-time highs with their stores closed. I mean, again, if that's the case, then maybe it'll be great for them if the coronavirus lasts for a couple of years. We'll see. Frank Curzio, as always, I'll go back to you guys soon. Take care.